Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be fixing a Jammed Epson LX 350 dot matrix printer. So let's get started. Start by removing the ink tape. Later, we need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw that holds the printhead to the printhead slider. We gently pull it up, just in case we don't break the ribbon cable, and we pull the ribbon cable from the connector. Next, we use another Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws holding the top cover on. Now we can remove the rear paper feeder. Now we can loosen up the screws holding the top cover. You have to be a little bit careful, but it usually comes right off. And there we go. Now we can see the inner parts of the printer. You can see this printer has been used a lot during its lifetime and is full of dust and a lot of debris. So this printer was jammed because right there at the ink tape actuator that we see there, it has a rubber band that has stuck inside, and thus it didn't allow the printer to work properly. There we go. Now we can move the rod without any issues. Works perfectly now. We do a little bit of cleaning. We make sure the printhead cartridge slides without any issues. No oil needed at this point. So it's good to go. We can go ahead and install the top cover back on again. Put in our screws. Can put on the rear screws now. It's a good idea to clean the printhead before attaching it. This way you can get better print results. We can use regular electric cleaner for this task. It usually works really well and it gets all the gunk out. Make sure you dry it up Now we can go ahead and install our printhead. Be very careful when you install the printhead with the ribbon cable. You can easily damage it. Make sure it's tight and everything is flush. Move it around, back and forth, just in case. Put the ink tape on again. Make sure it's snug where it goes. Make sure it's in place, and now we can test. The printer prints without any issues, and we are done with this printer jam situation. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, give a like, leave a comment below, and remember to give your suggestions for future videos. Thanks again, see you on the next one.